Okay. Second is I asked the shopkeeper what is the price of this bike. I asked the shopkeeper what is the price of this bike. I asked the shopkeeper what is the price of this bike. I asked the shopkeeper what is the price of this bike. हाँ हाँ नरेशन है. I asked the shopkeeper what is the price of this bike. Who can do this? You want to try? Okay. I asked the shopkeeper what is the price of this bike. So this is a WH question. So in WH question you use the same question word and yes. So in this the answer will be I asked the shopkeeper what the price of the bike of that bike was. So what the yes what the price of that bike, this will change to that, and a was will come at the end. This you have to be very careful. This you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful to use was at the end. If you write I asked the shopkeeper what was the price of the bike, then it will be wrong. So you have to change the order of the subject and the verb. You have to change. ये ठीक नहीं. In questions you don't use that. I thought that you are talking. This will change to that. In questions you don't use that. You use that only for statements. In commands and order also you don't use that. So then next write, the coach said don't move girls. The coach said don't move girls. So who will do this? You can write the coach ordered, or you can also say, write the coach told asked the girls not to move. Or you can also write the coach told the girls not to move. Huh? For, Forbade, you can write, but not in this way. The coach forbade the girls not to move. You can change it in this way also, but not like this. The coach forbade the girls not to move.
मैम फॉरवर्ड लेंगे तो मैम नॉट क्यों होगा? फॉरवर्ड तो मैम नॉट क्यों होगा? गर्ल्स फॉरवर्ड
Acha, forbade you have. The coach forbade the girls to move. But forbade is here, not fitting over here. Ordered you can use, or told also you can use.
the coach forward to move girls.
No, not like this. You can write it in this way. The coach forbade the girls to move. Like that you can write. Forbade to move girls is not giving correct sense. The coach forbade the girls to move, or the coach. Okay. Alas, next one you write. Yes. Alas, I have broken my father's watch. Alas, I have broken my father's watch, said Amit. Alas, I have broken my father's watch, said Amit. So instead of Amit said Amit can be used at the last. You have to apply the same rules. Alas, I have broken my father's watch, said Amit. Yes. Amit exclaimed sorrowfully that he had broken his father's watch, or you can write Amit exclaimed with sorrow. You can write Amit exclaimed with sorrow, or Amit exclaimed sorrowfully that he had broken his father's watch. Have you written? Alas, I have broken my father's watch, said Amit. So, like in the latest sample papers, even from indirect to direct is asked. So, Parul ordered Abhay to go away. This is a sentence in the indirect speech. You have to write the direct speech of this. Huh? Parul ordered Abhay to go away. Parul, write the question. Parul ordered Abhay to go away. Parul ordered Abhay to go away. नहीं सेट टू होगा. अब डायरेक्ट में हाउ डू वी राइट इन डायरेक्ट? सेट टू. हाँ. So, Parul ordered Abhay to go away. Parul said to Abhay, go away. Parul said to Abhay, go away will be in inverted, within inverted commas, open and close, and G will be in capital letter. So, you may get latest pattern questions from indirect to direct is also asked, and from the letter you will from the letter also questions are there. Go away. From the letter also questions are there. So what kind of question you will get from letters? From the letters you may get questions of fill in the blanks. Suppose the subject will be missing in the letter and 4 subjects will be given. You have to choose the correct subject, or the beginning sentence of the letter will be missing and 4 sentences will be given how to start that particular letter. Then हाँ नहीं पूरा लेटर नहीं लिखना है. letter writing. Wait, I'll show you this kind of questions will be asked. See, subject missing है, 4 ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है. So from the, don't think that because it is an objective test you won't get questions from letter writing. From the letter writing also you may get questions. Subject missing, ending line missing, and 4 choices will be given. So those kind of letters, and syllabus already. Okay, next question. क्या लिटरेचर से जैसा भेजे थे एमसीक्यू लेटेस्ट पैटर्न वही पैटर्न है. फैक्ट, ओपिनियन, कुछ फिगर दे देगा, उस टाइप का भी. यस, ओनली एमसीक्यूज. हाँ, क्योंकि टर्म टू इज गोइंग टू बी सब्जेक्टिव एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव. दिस इज द ओनली फॉर टर्म 1. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू राइट. The interviewer asked Navya why she had left that job. Again, this is an indirect speech. You have to change to direct. The interviewer asked Navya why she had left the job. The interviewer asked नवीता. अच्छा, नवीता है, चलो नाम से कोई फर्क नहीं. द इंटरव्यूअर आस्क्ड नवीता व्हाई शी हैड लेफ्ट दैट जॉब. हाँ, व्हाई शी हैड. So why she had is there means past perfect. So our question in the direct speech should be in which tense?
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, चेंज इनटू प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट.
हाँ, वो है रू. आप पास्ट changes sometimes to past perfect, sometimes it does not change, but in most of the cases past changes to past perfect. Only in very few cases it does not change. So here our question is in the past perfect. In the indirect the question is in the past perfect. So in the direct the question should be in simple past. So you will use did in the question. Asked भी हो सकता है, said भी हो सकता है. So yes, why? No, did you will use in the past question, you use did. The interviewer said to Navita, why did you leave this job? This is the answer. The interviewer said to Navita, why did you leave this job? Because did changes to had. This is the proper question. So if you have had in the indirect speech, are you writing? Likho. Okay. Why did you leave this job? Yes, the interviewer said to Navita, why did you leave this job? Yes. The next question is, father told his daughter. This is also indirect, you have to make it direct. Father told his daughter that he would attend her PTA meeting the next day. Father told his daughter that he would attend her PTA meeting the next day. Father told his daughter that he would attend her PTA meeting the next day. Tomorrow. Next day means, that day means today. So, okay. Father said that he would attend her, yes. So, Himanshu, go and write the answer. फादर सेड टू हिज डॉटर, आई विल, ही वुड है तो क्या हो जाएगा, आई हो जाएगा ही के बदले, एंड वुड विल चेंज टू विल इन द डायरेक्ट स्पीच. अटेंड योर पीटीए मीटिंग नेक्स्ट डे विल बिकम टुमारो. बस जो रूल है उसको ठीक रिवर्स कर देना. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे तो हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इसमें जो है दोनों तरह का क्वेश्चन दिया, 3 तरह का क्वेश्चन दिया है इनफैक्ट. लेटेस्ट जो मैंने देखा सैम्पल पेपर, सो यू गेट सेपरेट सेंटेंस एंड मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट टू डायरेक्ट, सब में चॉइस दिया हुआ है. क्लास में तो मैं उतना चॉइस नहीं दे सकती. So you will get choice direct to indirect, indirect to direct. Even you have the dialogue form questions, so you can get anything. Okay. So this is a long one. Write it. The boss told Manish. Okay. The boss told Manish that he would be happy. But the boss told Manish that he would be happy if he finished the project by evening. ऊपर लिख दो दिक्कत. The boss told Manish that he would be happy if he finished that project by evening. Boss told Manish that he would be happy if he finished that project by evening. That he would be happy. The boss told Manish that he would be happy if he finished that project by evening. I will attend your होगा, your ही होगा, your. He would be happy if he finished that project by evening. हाँ, by evening. नहीं, by evening नहीं change होगा. The boss told Manish that he would be happy if he finished that project by evening. Big chalks are there. Why are you using that tiny one? So the answer for this will be the boss. Dheeraj, what have you written? He would be happy if he finished that project. ठीक बोल रहा, बोलो. if you finish this project, that जो है फिर this में. Okay, right now. Okay, the boss said to Manish, I will be happy if you finish this project by evening. So you just have to reverse. It is very simple, nothing difficult. हाँ, this का will का would का will हो जाएगा, प्रोनाउन को चेंज कर देना, सेम थिंग. हाँ, यस. Okay, so then these are fill in the blanks. Dash higher you go, dash colder it is. Dash higher you go, dash colder it is. Wait, I'll give you 2 options. Dash higher you go, dash colder it is. The. dash higher you go, dash colder it is. Options are the.
The higher you go, the colder it is.
Yes. The higher you go, the colder it is. So, answer is the higher you go, the colder it is. Okay. He is dash unlucky man. He is dash unlucky man. An. Yes. He is an unlucky man. I want to be dash MP. I want to be dash MP. MP, abbreviated form of Member of Parliament, MP. I want to be dash MP. An. So MP, the letter is M, but the pronunciation is a vowel. So whenever you are using A or an, you don't see the when you use A or an, you don't see the letters of the vowels. You see the vowel pronunciation. Okay, I want to be an MP. Yes, it's mixed determiners. Determiner is there in your syllabus. So he died without an heir. He died without an heir. So it is the spelling is HEIR. How it is pronounced? Do we pronounce? No, we don't pronounce it. You don't pronounce the H. IR. Here, yes, IR. HEIR. नहीं वो गलत है. He died without dash IR. So HEIR. So what will you use? No, you'll use an because you don't pronounce the H. He died without dash IR. You'll use an because you don't pronounce the H. Air. हाँ, A आ रहा है. Like honest. Why do you use an before honest? Because you don't pronounce the H. So in IR also, IR means you must. One who inherits the property, that person is there, so you don't pronounce it. Okay, dash youngest boy has just started going to dash school. Dash youngest boy has just started going to dash school. Dash youngest boy has just started going to dash school. Options are the. Because before superlative you use the. So youngest is superlative degree. Always before superlative the is used. The youngest boy has just started going to a school. Rahul's father works as dash electrician. So an electrician. Rahul's father works as dash electrician. The car hardly uses dash. The car hardly uses dash. Some petrol, any petrol. Hardly. Hardly is a negative word. Any. Usually with negative sentences you use any. जैसे I don't have. What will you say? I don't have some money or I don't have any money. Any. So with negative words usually here also hardly is a negative word. Hardly, what does it mean? Scarcely, very less. हार्डली मतलब बहुत कड़ा नहीं. हाँ तो अनकाउंटेबल के लिए एनी यूज हो सकता है. ओके. द न्यू जॉब इजंट डैश डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द ओल्ड वन. द न्यू जॉब isn't dash different from the old one. Isn't. The new job isn't dash different from the old one. Most, much. Yes, much different from the old one. The new job isn't much different from the old one. There is dash ice cream in the fridge. There is dash ice cream in the fridge. There is, I'll give you two options. There is dash ice cream in the fridge. Little, few. Little, there is है. यहाँ क्वांटिटी को मेंशन कर रहे हैं, पीस को नहीं मेंशन कर रहे हैं हम. हाँ. Here we. Dr. Radhakrishnan was dash more. Dr. Radhakrishnan was dash more famous philosopher. Dr. Radhakrishnan was dash more famous philosopher than a politician. Was dash more famous philosopher than a politician. Option is the was a more famous philosopher than is the correct answer. हाँ. क्या? Politician. Dr. Radhakrishnan was dash famous philosopher than a politician. The was a more famous. I can write with dash hand. I can write with dash hand. Every either. Either means any of the two. Neither means none of the two. हाँ? Either neither means? तो either ही ना sense. Neither will not make any sense कि दोनों में से. That is exception.
क्वेश्चन के मुझे नॉलेज चाहिए आपसे
पेपर सेट होता है आइडिया
Grammatically correct as well as sensible also.
मैम आइडिया मैम
Okay. She walked without dash explanation. She walked without dash explanation. No any. She walked any. This is also a negative sentence without. She walked without. You people are not writing. हाँ क्यों नहीं नहीं लिखो रिवाइज कैसे हाउ विल यू
अच्छा हाँ यूट्यूब पे डालते हैं
शी वॉकड आउट विदाउट डैश एक्सप्लेनेशन एक्सप्लेनेशन है हाँ एक्सप्लेनेशन एक्सप्लेनेशन एक्सप्लेन से एक्सप्लेनेशन जो बनता है शी वॉकड विदाउट डैश एक्सप्लेनेशन सो एनी